everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi soap stories and today talking about the river. When Lindiwe thought she was done with the enemies after she killed the whole Hlophez family, uLindiwe ke uzobanjwa ke uDimpho who will visit her esathi uhleli ke noShabalala ke uyamxoxela ukuthi ke wababulala kanjani ke umndeni wakwaHlophe. uDimpho guys won't ask her anything but she will just go back to her family. Ayoyitshela ukuthi uLindiwe is not the person abacabanga ukuthi uye, actually uyena obulale umndeni wakwaHlophe wonke. Then guys uzoqala ke a plan ukubulala uLindiwe and she will try that on Lindiwe's wedding day with Bangizo on Friday, but ke uLindiwe being Lindiwe I doubt ukuthi ke angabulawa uDimpho. I am convinced ke guys ukuthi the river kumele imbulale uLindiwe or character kaLindiwe kumele bayibulale as they wrap the show. That will be a good ending ngampela for ama viewers because uLindiwe kudala ebulala abantu, but ke we'll see ukuthi ke final episode ye the river ke iyohamba kanjani. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.